go with like small risk, like people like how we traded at the beginning, like 2%.
With 500 account?
Yeah, okay, 1,000, no problem. 2%, we can go 2%, bro.
Okay, let's do 2%.
Like normally how we trade like as a beginner, or
Okay.
okay, like we can trade like that, so it will be good, like
2%, right?
Yeah, 2 trades, no more.
Yeah, only 2 trades. Okay,
Okay, guys. Like here today's yesterday you guys watched the session, right? Today you guys will explain, okay? We'll ask like what is the next thing. Only Kadir will explain. It doesn't make sense. Like you guys to explain, like you'll ask for your.
Good. I could go for that. That sounds good. We could do that.
Yeah, that's how you will learn, bro.
Because Kervin does it like that as well, in sim sessions. So I think it makes sense.
You can just annotate and show. If you are shy, just annotate and show.
Okay. So there we are. Let's go to the higher time frame.
Let's go.
So anybody wants to do analysis, like top-down analysis, try, or should I go?
No,
okay, I will do it.
Okay, sure.
Start from the week.
Okay, let's go, bro. Wait a minute. You don't have to be shy. No pressure, bro. I mean, everybody's the same. Me and Sultan, we're also not really big experience, so it's nothing. Okay, let's start with the weekly.
So it's a week. Okay, so in weekly we can see like it continuously start making supports and start going up. It's a bullish pressure. We can easily see like this.
Okay.
So there's a small candle. It doesn't break the high yet, and kind of it creates a support here of the if we see on a daily, but it isn't able to break the high. So which level is this? It's a 50 level upside. So we are still range up to the 50. We can say that this week has to fill yet, right?
Yeah.
Is it right?
So 50 would be your target, right?
Yeah, 50 would be my target. If it breaks it, then the target would be around 50, 65 something.
Okay, what is the pullback you are looking for this weekly candle?
For pullback, the previous weekly candle is like too big. So pullback, I can say up to this would be a resistance previously. It has to break. We can see on daily this week. So maybe the pullback should be, if it breaks it, it will come to here or until here.
This is previous weekly, right? This is previous weekly, right? This
week is currently or
no, this is current weekly.
Okay.
Just Hadi, just bear in mind, bro. Look on the right. I marked up the levels. So if you say price comes to, wait a minute, where was that? Yeah, you said here or here? Like maximum pullback
this week, but we can say we can take like levels to that, like 1805 or 1800 can be a pullback.
Okay. But like let's measure this candle. Okay, so this candle
50%.
Let's this candle is how many pips in volume? 770 pips. Okay, it's a big candle at this point. So my opinion, like the deepest pullback for me in this case would be, if let me measure that really quick, 300, 700. This would be the deepest pullback, 1810. It's perfectly like a little bit more than the 50%, but it's also a really strong key level. Like if you look at 18 or 10, let me see. Yeah, this one right here. See, we had some sort of like this was not a strong week, But after we break 1810 and confirm 1810 as support, see the move? Boom.
Yeah, right. Big move.
Okay, so the deepest pullback we should expect would be this one.
Okay.
What do you think, Mini? You have something to add to that, bro?
No, yeah, I think same. And the last frontier is 1800. If it breaks,
Yeah,
then will be
exactly.
then will be the faker from this area.
Then will be reversal completely. Okay,
Any-
let's go to
any-
the daily.
Okay.
This
Any
can-
guys, any
So-
opinion?
So on daily,
Mhm,
we are on the resistance, like
mhm.
resistance level.
So this is the current daily now, okay? And this
Yeah,
previous one was Friday with NFP.
Hardy, the way you come to the chart, the way you look, same way you explain.
yeah. This is the way like I look at the chart. That's why I'm proving like the how the Kadir explained. Now I start looking that way. Like where's the
No,
left-
you look it your way now. Slowly you
your
can
way?
adapt.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So
Mhm.
we are at a resistance here. So we can't say like there is a like clean move to the upside like in the starting of the day. Like the daily candle start and break this. We first need a pullback, so this low can be broken. So today we can see a downside move. Like
Mhm.
most probably, like we can take the sells, not like because
Okay.
there is no pullback like for 4 day consecutive.
Okay.
Mhm.
So yeah, it makes sense, bro.
Makes a
one day-
lot of sense.
Lot of
yeah.
sense because weekly one day the candle will be bearish on the daily.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So maybe the
Yeah.
sell. So we say the pullback to be 1810. So after breaking this wick of the daily candle, so
You
daily
need to go
candle
to
wick,
4 hour. This is daily candle, right? Yeah.
yeah, it's too small.
Mhm.
So
Should
can
I
you
go to the 4 hour?
yeah, go for it.
Okay. Let's go like this. Yeah.
Little
Amazing.
zoom. Can't see the candle like a mini.
Yeah. You want to see the left or not?
Left,
Because
yeah.
if you see the left, the candles will be not precise, you know.
Oh
It's
yeah,
the
right.
problem.
I can see like there is a
But we can see
consolidation on the left.
resistance, you know, like
Yeah.
that's clear.
Mhm.
Mhm.
So there is a resistance on the left. So we are looking for the cells. I will looking for the cells that day. So what
Mhm.
we can see, like if the candle breaks to the upside, it will stop here, somewhere here, start rejecting from here, this point. When it comes back into the range, we'll
Let
take
me
cells.
mark up
Like
the key levels. Yeah.
Okay. So what confirmation you need to sell? Like what are the confirmation you are looking?
for cells below, like if it create a resistance over here,
In which time frame you are looking resistance creation?
like on the 1 hour or 30 minute
Okay.
minimum, because the 15 minute can, because we are on the high level, if it breaks it, if it start rejecting from here, from this point mainly is the rejection, like not this point.
Okay.
Where is it?
Mhm.
Rejecting from
Okay.
it is still rejecting, like this candle doesn't break the previous day highs that it make. So when the new day start,
Make a
we'll see
zoom,
how
bro.
it
Mhm.
how
So
it
let me
reads
zoom.
previous day highs.
Little
Like
more.
sometime what happened, it breaks the previous day highs, comes to the next key level and start reacting from there, and it comes down all the way down.
Okay. Should now play the 4 hour candle or a hourly candle? Which time frame you want to play the candle?
Let's see on the 4 hour how it works. Maybe this candle shoots up the way it looks.
This is now NY open. So let me go like this. So
This is NI open, so it's a London move, like it's going up.
No. Look.
Uh-huh.
This is the London move, and this
Okay.
is pre-NY now. Okay.
Okay, so it's
So
still bullish.
at this point, What are we gonna do? We're gonna mark up the highs, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I thought it's the previous day.
No, this is already Monday.
Okay.
Why is it not working?
Bro, the way you trade is different, right?
Yeah, it's different.
Like how Kadir, let him show. So we can see something, you can get idea
Okay,
from
no,
him.
should I not mark up a high low?
No, he doesn't do that. He trades in hourly candle, like based on hourly. Yeah, but draw support and resistance, bro.
For support and resistance. Okay.
Yeah.
Where is the
No, what do you want want me to draw?
Draw
Hadi?
here support zone.
No, but let's see what he wants, bro. Like how he trades, you know?
Yeah, yeah, zone or support resistance, like how, bro?
okay. I will draw stop support and resistance. Wait,
Mm-hmm.
just 1 second.
I can draw from here.
I think here people will get bored, but the thing how you learn this, only looking to the sim session, you won't get to learn, bro. If it's like, I have anyone in the here from market fluidity.
Yeah, me.
We got many sim session like monthly, once, twice. We see the sim session, we win every trade, like, right?
Yeah.
On
Yeah,
the
exactly.
on the real market, we don't win that much trade. Why?
Yeah.
So this is the resistance which it already break, and this long wick already retested and close above it.
Mm-hmm.
Right. So there is the support downside, like the first structure, second structure. If it break first structure, like see, and the second structure, like Mini said,
Mm-hmm.
there is high probability chance to it will come down to this level.
So there is like 2 hours more for you to trade, right? Now it's 9 a.m., right, Kadir?
That's 9 AM. Yeah. So the
No, bro, this is now NY open, like I said. 3
Okay.
p.m. 15 is NY open.
Okay, now 3 hours more for you to trade. Okay, then go to 15-minute candle and play 3 hour. So let's see how we can execute any trade.
Okay, let me delete.
I think most of
those
the
in here.
guys trade this support and resistance. And same it's key level support and resistance. Go to 15-minute and play the candle.
Okay, so are you now looking for anything, Hadi?
for now, now if I see the structure like this, I will look for the buys.
Okay.
Buys above here, the break of this candle, but the break of this candle and maybe break of this candle, but it's already too high if I take a trade on this candle that I now mark. So I have to prepare for the entries somewhere here where the candle is, if I see support creating on this lower time frame, like which time frame is 15-minute time frame. So
Okay,
what do
play
you
the
think?
You
15.
wanna wait for support?
Yeah, maybe goes up, reject, create a support, then try again to break
Okay.
that level.
So you're gonna wait for this 15 now to close, or
Yeah, I will wait.
okay, then skip a little bit. Let's skip.
It's too high.
It didn't break the eye.
Yeah.
Only 15 minutes, right? No 5 minutes.
No,
No.
you can check on the 5-minute.
No, the time you trade 15-minute or 5-minute.
I trade everything. Like I keep check on the every time frame.
That's good, bro.
Okay, let's look on the 5-minute. So you guys can also learn a little bit lower time frame.
Do you use any indicators like
No,
stuff?
never.
That's good.
Indicator.
Okay, so let's see. Okay, 15 is now closed. What do you think about this 15-minute?
15-minute. Yeah, it looks good to go up. So this is where if I say what I see on the 5 minute, I see that candle that I told you about the last time you are telling us about the trades. This is a containment candle. So it's a perfect containment candle. It's also broke the high too. So I will take a trade on this one for
Okay.
sure.
Take buy.
It's the full candle, you mean?
Yeah, full candle. This one.
But
It's
this is not the full, bro, in this
No,
case.
he's-
not
because
a full candle, not every time, but it's a containment candle.
okay.
Okay. You take the buy, bro. You wanna
Yeah,
take
I
buy.
took a buy on this one.
Oh, you wanna take a buy? Okay, let me go
Yeah.
back.
Take a buy. Where you will keep the stop loss, bro?
On the current candle. Previous candle.
Previous candle
This
low.
one?
Yeah, previous candle.
This one.
Previous to this one. Yeah.
But are
Okay,
you sure?
PP.
Yeah. I closed. My TP was like 10 pips. I closed max.
Mhm.
This is the thing.
Okay, 10 pips from here.
Okay, for simplicity, make it 42. Okay, 10 pips, okay. And
Okay.
your, okay, 10 pips.
This is 10 pips.
See the
Yeah.
risk reward is worth or not.
Not worth it.
Okay,
Yeah.
no problem. It's fine, bro. If you have got experience, you can do anything. It's a thing. Okay, accept.
Even I
Okay.
used the fixed lot that time.
Mm.
No.
But don't you think the stop is no? That's it.
No, this is good stuff, bro.
Yeah, for 10 pips it's good, but otherwise I think you can get stopped out easily here.
Yeah.
Yeah, stop loss would be safer if you would place it below the 40, below the 39.
Will you
like
close
$1
now?
below the kilo.
1 minute. You won't close 50% or you won't remove the risk, this situation, or you hold it.
If I say my stop would be like I tell you, here, I will close 50 here. Here.
Where?
On this level, I close 50 and close full here.
Mhm.
But that doesn't really make a huge difference, bro. If you close 50 here, this is
That's
only
right.
2-3 pips. If you
Mhm.
wanna manage risk, I
Mhm.
think it would make more sense. I mean, I
It would.
personally,
On low.
like despite the fact that if I would take the trade or not,
Mhm.
if I would have taken this trade, I would have put my stop at least here, or to be really safe, like below 39. But the
Yeah.
risk reward is not there, so I wouldn't take it in this case. But in this trade, like with this stop loss,
Uh-huh.
how you could manage risk is when this 5 minute is flipping, you know,
Okay. Right.
then you
Because
could manage risk.
it become liquidity from the upside, like going down.
Yeah.
Reject.
But 40, 44, 45 can get easily tapped, I think. And then you get the rejection to the downside.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
Now it flips.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So we didn't
So-
manage risk.
So what do you think here was a mistake you did, bro? Can you find your mistake here?
Like, yeah, because now I see, like this candle comes rejected. This candle didn't break but rejected. This candle break rejected. There are how many chances that this candle break, this candle too, and reject again, can reject again.
Then what? Then what made you take this trade?
Just this candle. You know, how can I get these old things out of my mind?
Yeah, this is how you do, bro. This is how, you know, simply you think Forex will pay. They're making 2 hours at your home. Do you think it will pay? This is hard work, bro. Like hard work means not to lift 100 kilo on your shoulder. Like, you know, this is hard work. So this is just supporting the system. So for example, if I was trading here, go to 4 hour, Kadir.
Yeah.
Okay, this was the 4 hour, this was the previous rejection area. If I was taking trade, if I was taking impulse trade, I would took trade, you know,
Okay.
this area impulse entry, the break of the 4 hour. If it was after NY like 8:30 a.m. after 8:30 a.m. if it break this area, then I'd give a try for 10. If you want 10 pips, try. You know, If it's not before like 8 to 8:30, you get the breakout, you get the big, and you get the like this also. Most of the time, you get 10, 12 pips, and you most of the time NY open, you get the 10, 15 pips same time as well as you get the losses also NY open. So
Yeah, right.
what you did the mistake, you should have to wait this candle, this body. This is, or the second thing, the easiest thing, this is the 40, 45,
Yeah,
the key
45.
level area. This will be easy after the pullback. I think that this you took the trade of the top, and
Yeah,
also
right.
on also if you see the what's the time frame? This was the time 15 minute. Oh yeah, 15 minute. Go to 30 minute, bro. Okay, 30 minute. 30 minutes still we are trading on this week, bro, inside that week. So
Right.
that was the only problem. You took at the top and you took at the rejection area. Okay, Kadir, let's start. Go, man. Go for it. Yeah.
Mhm.
Go. You start.
I start, you mean?
Yeah, you start because guys are asking, they want to learn like the way we trade.
Yeah, it will be better to show your style of trading. I guess.
No problem, but guys, you should learn thing and you should trade your own self. Like back test your ones. Maybe 1 hour seeing this, you should back test, or else you can't learn, bro. Like I was watching the webinar of market fluidity, but I don't practice myself. I didn't learn anything that way. When I start to do things, then I start to learn.
Okay. So what I would do, guys, now I would just wait simply.
Yeah.
Because this is bullshit. I mean, it's if you trade here, you're just forcing a trade. I'm pretty sure we're gonna tap 45, but if you don't have an entry opportunity, you're not gonna take it. I mean, you can randomly enter on the key level and put stops like $1 below the key level to target 45. But is it the real right way? Is it the safe way, the stress-free way? No. So we're gonna wait. So let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, 5 minutes to go to the 30-minute closing. This is something good. We want to see candles pulling back and rejecting and closing above 40. That's what we want to see. Okay, so let's look at the 30-minute. 30-minute candle closed bearish and closed below 40. So let's see. Nothing yet. And days like this, guys, you have to think about it. We had the previous week, we had really nice moves. Look at this 4 hours, we had so many clean, easy trades. Okay, so it can be that this week is gonna be choppy, or at least Monday. It's the first day of the week, so you don't have to force anything. Just take a step back, like relax a little bit, and see what the market is giving. So let's see. Okay, see. Did you see that, guys? Like this candle looked beautifully bullish, right? This is something you see a lot of times in the last minute of the 5 minute. Look.
Last
Here,
2 minutes.
huge. Last 1 minute. Last 30 seconds, it's gonna reject now, You don't want to get caught on those rejections. So you have to wait for nice confirmations. And this is now looking just choppy. Like the only thing that you can do here, enter here like a dummy, enter on the 40, keep stop loss here, first target would be here, and second target would be 45, but yeah, I don't want to teach that now. So let's see. Let's see how this candle is gonna close. See, okay, this candle is now closing good, right? But it still respected the high. That's something that bothers me right now. If it would have broken the high, broke this wick, and then closed like this, it would be a good one. But in this case, I don't like it. Because it can easily go back to 40. And you're then in drawdown like 20 pips. How many pips is that? If you would enter here, 25 pips, you have to hold just to get like 23, 24 pips, you know? It's not worth it.
Morning,
Okay.
Kadir.
Good morning, bro. Good morning.
Morning. Just
Great, bro. How are you?
not bad, not bad. You know, we're just doing the same session for continuation of London high and London low. Is that right?
Not the continuation of London high and London low. It's basically you're going first of all with the higher time frame. So you're trying to go with the trend and previous daily, and then you look for the 4 hour from London as a confirmation. You know, if the trend is bullish, you have the London 4 hour is also bullish. It's no brainer. Then you look for buys. You know, because the way we trade, we go sometimes for impulse entries. Most of the times, I personally go for impulse entries. And if you impulse entries only work if you go with the trend. I mean, sure, it can work if you go counter trending, but is it the safest way? No, the safest way is always going with the trend, you know. But the only problem I personally, what I see as a problem for buyers at this point is I don't feel comfortable at all to buy in these rejection areas, you know. Look at this 45, 50 area, 40 area, you know, there's a lot of rejections, strong resistance at this point. So, and it's just the first day of the week. So I'm expecting some sort of a pullback for this weekly. So like 1815, 1810 would be a good pullback to then get the continuation maybe, you know. Yeah.
Right.
So let's see what's gonna happen. At this point, this candle didn't respect the 50%, so it's gonna go to the 40. 50% was roughly here. We exceeded that, so next it can go to the 40, and so no trade. No trade.
Plain and simple range.
Yeah, this is just garbage, you know. I mean, you don't want to get caught on these range trades, you know. This is, in my opinion, is not really. I mean, it's just guessing. Like impulse entry here,
Yeah.
10, 15 pips here. I mean, and put stops here. It's just guessing. Not a really system behind it, you know. So I think waiting for NYC will be a good.
Not getting the close. If it's ranging now, it's good. You know, NYSE we will get a good move.
Okay, so let's look at the 4 hour closing, guys. 4 hour closing is actually pretty good. We closed above 1840. Close slightly above, did we? Yeah, not really above, but at this wick. Only problem here is that we didn't broke this high. So again, breaking the high and then closing would be pretty awesome. Then we could be pretty sure that we get a move to 1850 and then we get a rejection maybe, you know. But yeah,
I think
at this point,
if we get rejection from 1839, then breaks it will be good, you know.
49, you mean, bro?
39, the maximum pullback I see.
Oh, you mean here for NYC? You mean?
Yeah, this in 1839, I see the pullback for new 4 hour candle.
The only thing is, I mean, I personally would rather sell from here to than buy, but fighting against that 4 hour is tough, you know.
You need
But,
to pull back, like, you know, new hourly.
Yeah,
like
but the
at
pullback
least
makes
this
a lot
area,
of sense.
some fake out from here, then continuation.
Yeah, what I would do, in total honesty, but I don't think that it will be right to do it today on the sim, but for on the live, what I would look for is because we moved already so much, right? So we're trading at a high resistance area. What I would do is looking for some sort of like fake outs in this area, you know, and like on the 1 minute, 5 minute, looking for some sort of fake outs from 45 to enter sells with NYC. But let's see. Okay, 40 got tapped here. So this is just mess here, you know. Like if you had your stop here, you would get stopped out already. So
That's nice pullback, bro. If it get the close.
but it's a brand new 4-hour, bro.
Yeah, pullback is nice, bro. Like it tapped 40.
Yeah, but at this point, you know, let's see you enter here and you target 45, which is without the spread, let's say 15 pips, you know, 15, 16 pips. Is it worth it with having all these areas you have to deal with, you know, with a stop loss?
Big
Not
stop.
really, bro. Big stop, you know. I personally wouldn't take this, you know, because you're in profit drawdown, you know, it's depressing, bro. It's nothing you wanna do really. So let's see. If you get confirmations from this area, you can go for buys. Like now, if it rejects 39, if you get some sort of support also on the 1 minute, you know, then you can go for it. But otherwise, it's tough, way too tough. Okay, now
It's not holding 39, bro.
yeah, now it's not holding.
This candle will tell the
But
story.
if it is area, then we're going to 35. But as long as we respect
Hey,
this area, we can go to 5.
Hardy, this is the second structure.
Yeah. If we break that, we're going to
Yeah.
35. But as long as we hold that, we can see a move to 45 still. Let's
Bro,
see
this
how
is
this
full-
5
this
minutes
is-
is gonna close.
Bro, this is full candle.
Yeah. Let's see how this 5 is gonna close. Okay, we got the 5-minute closing. 15-minute is closing like, yeah, it's bearish, like range, nothing, not really direction. at this
tough.
point. Pretty tough, pretty tough. Let's see on the 1 minute. Yeah, okay. Yeah, like I said, entering buys here with stop loss, like if you enter here or like here in this area with a stop loss here, makes sense, you know. You can go for it. Or if you want to be really safe, put stop loss here, but this is really big at this point. So this would make sense.
But this 5-minute need to close.
Yeah. But at that point, the move will already happen.
No, see.
Okay.
It's 5
Now
minute.
this is but as
Because
long as we break this,
here, because here there is no any confirmation to buy, just like a cowboy from here. having
exactly,
stop loss.
like I said, if you just want to be a dummy, you can go for it. But you know, like this, pretty on like I saw this a lot of times. For like in the current market condition, 5-minute closing like this, next one breaking the low slightly and then breaking the highs, you get a move, you know. So impulse entry here can work out. Because this was also a brand new 15. Yeah, that was the pullback for the 15. That was the pullback for the 15. How many pips is that, bro? If we would go for that. Yeah, it's okay, bro.
But
25.
let's wait for this 5-minute candle to close at least.
Yeah.
Nowadays, without any confirmation, just buying it.
Yeah, but it can work out easy, bro. I think. Yeah.
It can work out, but waiting is good. People.
Yeah, I know.
tomorrow-
For the sim session is good. It's good. But yeah. Because this is something I see in a lot of times, bro. I mean, of a 1 5-minute candle teasing you, and what's gonna do everybody, take the cells here on the break of this one. You know, you're up about like nothing. You know, with spread you're like at break even, and then boom, you get stopped out here because you think it's gonna be an easy job to go to 35. But we have
I would have took sell if I get candle close below the second structure. Then no
yeah,
brainer.
below secondary structure is no brainer. But here we respect we're still
Yeah, yeah.
respecting
No,
secondary
we are in
structure.
we
So
are in we are in uptrend.
and still I mean this looks messy, yeah, but still impulsive here makes sense. Why? Because we're still in an uptrend where the trend is still bullish, you know. I mean, you're
Yeah,
not
yeah.
counter trending. Look at this 4 hour. You're going with this 4 hour. This 4 hour can help you out easily, you know. So that's why what I thought about that impulse entry. But at this point, you wanna just stay away. I mean, wait for NYC. You know, now 45 is inevitable. You know, 45 will get tapped easy. You know, probably. Let's see. Yeah, gonna slightly break the high, tap 45, and then reject from there with NYC, bro. That's what I think it's gonna happen. Because everybody was gonna do it, they're gonna buy this week, and then they will be in profit like, yeah, 5 pips maybe, and then it's gonna reject. Let's see. Okay, this is the closing. Let's see how the 30-minute closed. Okay, 30-minute closed beautifully bullish. Closed really beautiful. So
I will have buy stop here, bro.
46.
And stop loss here.
You mean buy limit?
Buy limit, yeah.
And stop is where? At the secondary structure?
Here, yeah. Like you know,
Okay.
around not here, maybe yeah,
Yeah, but
39.
let's not teach that now, bro.
Okay.
So they don't think we're gonna do that, you know. So let's look at the 1 minute.
Stride break is sick, man.
This is what I would do, bro.
Was a
Like,
minute.
wait for confirmation here.
Mhm. A break of 40.
The moment it breaks 46,
Yeah.
then it's gonna go to the 50. But as long as it holds 46,
46
10 pips
impulse
above.
entry. Impulse entry is option.
Yeah. But tough, bro. I wouldn't take it at this point, you know.
No brainer.
Okay.
Yeah, this
That's
is
your
good. This
pullback.
is good. This is
But
good.
let's see, you know, guys, this is the area you wanna watch out now, because buying here is really, really tough. But if we break this, you can go for impulse entries, and if it rejects, just close the trade at 45. You know, just. Are
you saying 46 because it's $10 above the
10
Exactly.
pips, 10
Exactly.
pips above key level. When you are
Yeah.
taking impulse entry on the trending market only, not when counter trending, bro.
This is not counter trending now. You have to remember that.
Yeah.
But
Where- do
still,
you
I'm
know where
looking.
you have
I
your
rather
stop?
would sell from here, in total honesty, than buy. Okay, that's your. Oh, that's looking really good to sell actually. Because look, guys, why another reason why I would rather sell from here. Yeah, the 30 looked closed really nice, right? But it also broke the lows. You have to remember that as well. But if you look at the higher time frame, look how much we moved already, you know, and we have NYC now. So do you think they're gonna buy the top at 45? No, only we retail traders do that, you know. They're not gonna buy the top. They would rather sell the top. Okay, so that's the thing. Now, let's see. If this 5-minute closes like bearish and next one, or closes like below 45, next one retests 45 slightly, and then you can get a break.
It's
Let's
not,
see.
someone asked some question. It's not like a logic. 10 pips above key level means it's leaving the key level. That's the logic.
Yeah, that's just one another part of
Because the
turbines.
problem maybe your spread, maybe your things broker and all, if you buy at 45, maybe it will go like 8 pips, 9 pips. Above 45, 10 pips, 46. It's safer, bro. When you're taking impulse entry, 10 pips above the 46. So that can be the confirmation. Yeah, we left the key level. That's the only confirmation. If you back test, you can see the thing. Not something, yeah.
Would you have a pre-planned stop loss if you're entering 10 pips above the key level?
Yeah, 10 pips below
10
the
pips
key
below.
level.
Yeah,
Stop
yeah.
loss also 10 pips below that. For
Yeah,
example,
Yeah, maximum.
44 is the stop loss. Okay.
Yeah.
44, 45, 46, 30 pips. Okay, stop loss. For example, target is, what is the target? 50.
Yeah.
So, okay.
And
Yeah,
at that point, if
so,
you leave 46, it's gonna be a quick move to 50,
40.
you know,
For
like
yeah.
1 5 minute.
Also this 30 pips we keep for the safer. When it leaves the 47, our stop loss will be like 45 key level.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yo, Kadir, can I ask?
Yeah, sure,
We're
bro.
looking at 1 minute at this point.
Why I'm looking,
At
I
1
don't
minute.
want you guys to look at the 1 minute, but I just look at so I learn myself, because when live trading, I also look at the 1 minute sometimes, but in this case, there is a lot of volume now. Look at this move. We go up and down, up and down, up and down. Like
Okay.
5 minute candles are doing like 30, 40 pips, This is like really high volume at this point. And at that point, 1 minute becomes 5 minute in my eyes, and 5 minute becomes 15 minute. 15 is 30, this is like that. Just like when that war situation was, 1 5 minute was 50 pips, 40 pips, right? So we had no chance entering on 5 minutes. We had to look on the 1 minute to find entry opportunities sometimes.
Makes sense.
So that's the logic behind that. But it will come with time, guys, that 1 minute thing. Yeah, it will come with time. So I want to measure one thing really quick. Okay, that would be here. Would make sense, to total honesty. Yeah, to be really safe here. And the target would be overall like 38. Yeah, not really worth it. I was thinking about a sell at the break of this one and put
Wait, one
stops
more
here.
5 minute candle to close.
But it's not really worth it now because we don't have structure yet. But the target would be like 38, 39, 38, like 40 pips.
I'll sell if I get next one more 5 minute candle get close. The confirmation.
You're not
resistance.
gonna get that, bro. Yeah, okay. Now this is looking better, to be
Yeah.
honest, bro. I'm gonna give it a shot, boys.
It's
Gonna
Gucci,
put
bro.
stops here.
It's
This is
breaking
looking really nice.
it's
Like, don't
breaking-
try this at home, but in this case, like in my eyes, this 1 minute, like I said earlier, bro, when you asked, like this 1 minute becomes like 5 minute in my eyes, So, yeah. So that's why, I'm entering now on the 1 minute, and yeah, because we're at the top right now, right?
Kadir, honestly, I don't trade at 1 minute, but I use 1 minute to manage my risk,
Yeah, exactly. I do that as well.
To cut
So
my
let's see,
position.
when we break that low of that 5, we'll be pretty Gucci. Yeah, okay. This is nice. This 1 minute closing, look at this closing now. If you look closely, guys, the body is slightly closing below previous bodies. So we're good to go. Now it's gonna be a move like this. Because NYSE grabbed the orders there, and it's gonna move down now.
Here, I wanna say something to guys. Just pause it, bro. 1 second.
Yeah.
1 second. For example, we were on the buys, okay? we were on the buy. This was the previous NYSE before NYSE 30-minute high. So we were looking for the buy. So we didn't get that buy. So that means it retested the 30-minute high. This new candle already retest is over. So if retest is over and rejects, then what is next? You guys know. Next is our next key level area, or maybe more. That's how NYSE work.
Yeah. Because if you look at the 30 minutes, guys, look, we broke the high in the first minutes, right? Like immediately, but we rejected the key level. So if we are taking out the high and rejecting at this point, and we're at the top, and NYSE won't buy the top, you know, the big boys won't buy the top. So what are they gonna do? They're gonna rather sell from there, you know, or take profits, you know, if they are selling or buying. We don't know it, but that's the logic behind it. So let's open this one as well. Okay, we're up about 12 pips only.
But what do you say, guys? Like there's a 30-minute candle with liquidity. It has to go somewhere. Like go somewhere means it has to go to the buy direction, or it can goes to the like opposite direction too. Like it's a big.
Yeah, the thing is, this is
Uh-huh.
pretty tough, bro, to be honest.
See, I'll tell you if you want to know what is liquidity grab and what is rejection. Simple, bro. For example, we can show here, like, where is the liquidity grab? Here. Okay, this candle is liquidity grab.
Yes,
This
sir.
bullish candle. This candle is liquidity grab. Okay. This candle is a rejection candle. So
Yeah,
what
this
is
is
it? This is a rejection. This is a liquidity. Liquidity grab means previous. Most of the time, if we get this is the previous rejection area. If we get it goes to certain upside position to retest, and we get the candle like this, and sudden of the time the candle body closes like this, small body bullish. That means this is a liquidity grab. Okay. For example, like this, then it will continue upside. For example, wick fill. You see this candle like this and like this, okay? And the candle body closes like this below the key level area. Okay? Then the next candle with momentum, wick fill. Try to wick fill or downside. This is the difference between liquidity grab and the wick fill. For the wick fill, the candle should close. For example, it's in the bearish trend. It has to close below the key level area. It's wick fill. If it's closing above, for example, it's taking liquidity from rejection area, and the candle body is closing above the key level or the previous bearish candle. For example, this is the bearish candle. This is the bearish candle. Here are some rejections. Okay. Here are many rejection. Okay, rejection. For example, I should draw this one. Okay, this is the bearish candle. This is the bearish candle. Okay, this is the bearish candle. So candle comes like this. Okay, this area, and candle body closes like this. Above this previous bearish candle. If it's liquidity grabbing to upside. For example, same candle, this is liquidity grab. For example, any candle is closing like this, or a straight body, similar body or big body with this, like this, okay? And below this candle or below the key level, then
it's a rejection.
It's a wick fill, bro.
Wick fill, oh yeah.
Right. Partial wick fill, maybe or retest this low, then it will go like this. You got it? You'll get the partial wick fill always.
Right.
Most of the time. Momentum means simple word after NYSE after NY open. After NY open, if you see the move very fast, that's called momentum. Nothing other than that, in a simple word.
Right.
Yeah, okay, go ahead, bro.
Okay.
Sorry for disturbing you.
Okay. So now at this point, it's gonna be a pretty clean move, guys. Why it's gonna be a clean move? Because we had a clean move up as well, right? So yeah. And there was no options for buys before that. Only option, in my
Bro,
opinion, was this
Here
impulse
is
entry that I
here is a
mentioned,
good
you know,
here is a
to
good
go to
example.
45.
Here is a good example. This is 5-minute liquidity grab, but this candle have to break the high. Then this was the candle.
Confirm
Yeah.
the liquidity. All right.
Yeah.
But the thing is, like at this 30, for example, if this 30 would have been like here in this area, yeah,
Okay.
1830 got liquidity grab, and even like a week like this, and then we have a close like this, you know, when the week is
Bec-
something like this. Yeah, go for it. It's gonna pay, you know, easy. It's gonna go to 40 at least. But
Means comes.
at the top,
Mhm.
at the top, it's tough. And like I said from the beginning, buying at this heavy resistance, I don't feel comfortable. I'd rather stay away, miss the move, you know. If it goes to 50, it goes to 50. But like I said, only option for me was, if I go for buys, was that 46. That price leaves the 46 area. If you leave 46, you can easily put your stop loss at 44 and target for 50 easily, you know, 1 to 2. And yeah, but it didn't happen.
If you learn liquidity, you will be going to be hella rich, bro. That's very tough to learn.
Yeah,
The
exactly. And
important
that's
thing is
why not
liquidity.
everybody can do that, bro. You know? That's
Khalid,
good. Yes, bro.
can you just pause it? Yeah, this
Mhm.
kind of structure, what I see is, see, so every time it has make higher high, it has gone like this. So
Yeah.
buying at the top is not a good option. You said right, it's good to sell here.
Yeah. The thing is, and we didn't sell the top. We waited
Yeah,
for confirmations,
yeah,
right?
yeah,
And
with confirmation.
exactly. And you can also just buy, sell and trust the key levels blindly. Sell at 45, sell at 50. But that's not really a smart idea, you know.
Yeah.
And if you look at the structure, guys, you know,
Yeah.
you had a big move up Friday, down, up, down, and just range for now, and we
Ranging.
moved slightly up. So what seems inevitable here and like just natural, that we get a move, something like this, you know? And then most likely what's gonna happen, if we the next day we can get that weekly pullback, you know, that the next day, like if we end here, this will be the next day, for example, you know. Then we have structure like this, next day then grabs liquidity, and then boom, you know. Not like at this area, I'm not saying it's gonna be at the 1830, but imagine this structure here. I just can't move to the right, so that's why I like this. So yeah, that's why you always have to bear in mind the big picture. So, but let's see if we're gonna tap 38. I think it's gonna be pretty light.
Here, can you go to the 1 minute so I can see your entry again, please?
Mm-hmm.
Nice one.
Yeah. And another confirmation, guys, here is, look at this 1 minute closing, where it closes. You know,
Below
this,
everything.
yeah, here it closes below $1 below the key level. You know, it's another confirmation you have, and it retested the key level, and it's Gucci, bro. I mean, but this requires experience, you know. And don't try 1 minute, guys. I don't watch the 1 minute, and Sultan as well, only in situations like this, when the 5 minutes are having like 40-50 pips in volume, and you have no chance on entering on the 5 minute. Then you can have a look at the 1 minute. But
1 minute, my win rate is very low, bro.
yeah, mine as well. Oh yeah, it depends. I just don't watch the 1 minute. It's just too much stress. You don't have to do that, you know. 5 minutes is already stressful enough for some guys. So just stick to the 5 minute, and yeah. So let's skip a little bit and see if we tap 38. It's most likely Yeah, oh, okay, we break even.
Let's go to next session, bro. This is hella ranging like a shit, bro.
Okay, now we tapped it. Okay, so just call it a day at this point. We got
Yeah.
one, yeah, I mean, this was the one trade and this was like 2 trades at this point. But like I said, if you see this in the real market, guys, just stay away. Maybe if you really want to trade, wait for NYSE. NYSE can give you a cleaner move,
I
like
would
in this
have like
case.
call
but-
it a day.
Yeah, just call it a day. It's a Monday. It's brand new week. You had easy to trade the previous week. You don't have to force trades here like a dummy and get stopped out in no time, you know. So yeah, let's go to the next day.
Do you think you guys will wait 20 minutes for 30 pips or so last 10 a.m. nearby?
Yeah, no, nobody's gonna wait. Okay, so let's see.
Kadir Gonana.
God.
Where's Eugene?
I don't know, bro. Okay, so this is the this is NY Open now, guys. Okay, so let's see what the structure is like at this point. Gonna do a fresh analysis as always. So let's see. Let's look at the daily. The daily closed like a rejection can. Okay. Mute them. Okay. So the daily closed like a rejection candle, guys. It tapped 45, closed like a rejection candle. So what is likely that we're gonna form some sort of resistance, just like on the left, right? And we had a huge move up. This move has to be corrected in some way, most likely 1815, 1810, like 50%. Okay. And now let's go to the 4 hour. Okay, so this is pretty much the structure that I said earlier that I'm expecting. Like we had a move up, move down, correct percent, up, down, and up. You know, I don't know if you guys use patterns, but don't use it at day trading, you know. But this is like a head and shoulders, and you can get something like this, you know. But yeah, let's now look at the. Let's go to the 1 hour. So London 4 hour at this point is nothing, guys. You have nothing for the London 4 hour. So let's clone this. Oh no, not news. Do we have news? Let me check news. Okay, nothing. Yeah, nothing at this point. Yeah, this is not real news, right? Okay. So let's go to the.
If you guys want JJ, we can go for JJ also. No problem.
Nah, bro, I don't go for GJ. You
No,
guys
yeah,
can do that, but I
I think many plays JJ as well.
Yeah, they do, but that's the thing, bro. I mean, like I said, guys, not just me and Sultan can do sim sessions. You guys can do sim sessions as well. You know, you don't have to. Don't think that you somebody's gonna blame you if you lose trades. You know, it's just for
It's
you to
demo.
learn, and it's demo, and it's just for you to learn. And if guys can learn something with that, it's good for them, you know. So you're not responsible for anybody, you know. Let's go for this. Oh, not news. Okay. So let's see what's gonna happen. So as always, guys, we're gonna wait for the first couple of minutes. But as far as the structure is saying, I'm looking for like fake outs in this area to sell from here. That's what I'm looking. Let's skip a little bit. Okay, that's a nice rejection. Did we break the high? No. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, let's see if we can close below 40. Okay. This is a nice closing now, below 40. Rejection candle, retest of the $1 above the key level, broke the lows and closed below 40. But let's wait a little bit more. Let's be a little bit more patient. Let's see how the 15 closed. Okay, 15 closed beautiful, below 40. It's looking good to the downside. What I would like to see to confirm the move down, something like this. If you get down, respect this first, like this, and then something like this, and then like this. Let's see if we can get that. And since we are like technically, yeah, it's counter trending, but not really, because the daily here is a confirmation for me enough. But that's why we're gonna wait for a better confirmation, and that's why we didn't jump in sales here at the break here. It's way too risky. We're gonna wait for a good confirmation. What would be a good confirmation in this case? Yeah, 30-minute, I would say. You know, a good 30-minute candle. If you can get a, like, at this point, the 30-minute candle is looking really good bullish, right? So what the perfect scenario for us would be something like this. 30 minutes looking like this, right? But we want to see a 30-minute looking like this. Ideally, it breaks the lows and closes like this, and closes below the 1840, you know, and then you can easily go for sales. Yeah.
But Karthik, there is one question. Like in the daily, we can see the daily candle already make a wick to the downside, which we can say retest the previous daily candle and start going up. Should we think of the buys above the wick of the previous daily candle? What about that?
If you see the structure, do you feel comfortable taking buys here? Yeah, I'm just
No.
asking, you know.
No, because there is a
I
reaction on the
personally,
left.
I don't. You know, I don't know how Sultan thinks, but I personally don't, because what is this area?
It's a rejection area, I know, but above that area.
This
like,
area,
not-
yeah, above that you can go for it. As still the 46 is there, but for me, this area is an area of interest. It's a rejection area. So
Okay, for
and it-
rejection, you're looking for sales. Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
that's right. I was
and
thinking what
like I
you
said,
mean.
I'm not gonna jump in for sales like a dummy, like without confirmation. We're gonna wait for confirmations,
Right.
then go in for sales. What you can do is, if you don't feel comfortable entering on sales here, you can wait and enter like, let me see what would be a safer one.
It's like when everyone buying, we are selling.
Yeah, because you always have to think, guys, why are 95% of the retail traders losing? You know, because everybody's doing the same. You know, everybody thinks here, oh, we broke the highest, let's go, bye, you know. But no, not gonna happen.
If we get
But-
full candle like this, on the area of interest, for breaking the high, pretending to go upside, and breaking the low. Next candle, looking for this one.
Okay.
Yes. Exactly. Yeah, so let's see. So like I said, we want to see a 30-minute closing, like a bearish rejection candle. That would be the ideal scenario. And if we go up, we go up, but I'm not gonna jump in on those buys. Let's see how this one is gonna close. Okay, that looks good. This is the 30 we want to see, you know? That's the thing. Mhm. Okay. Retest the key level now and close below 1840 and maybe re-break even the lows. That would be ideal. Yeah, that's the one we're looking for. Mhm. Okay, it broke the low. Perfect.
New 30-minute candle.
Okay, so let's look at the 30-minute. That's lovely now, you know. That's the 30-minute candle we wanted to see. I mean, you could have entered here maybe as well, but now we can enter as well, you know, with confirmation. What we're gonna do is put our stop loss here, and overall target is gonna be, yeah, I'm gonna secure manually, but I'm gonna put my, yeah, target 1830 is good. 1830 is a strong rejection area, like 5 pips above, and yeah, we can go for this one. So let's zoom in and let's see what happens. Risk reward is also there, you know. So holy shit, what is this volume? Okay. I mean, if you, like I said, if you didn't enter there, which was a better entry, entries below 35 can work as well.
Kadir, weren't you expecting a pullback for this new 30-minute candle?
Why? Because I mean, you can get pullbacks, but that's the thing, you know. If you look at this 30-minute candle close, this candle is how many pips in volume? Like 40 pips, okay? And it rejecting like perfectly, you know. It respected the high and rejecting the key level, the structure here, this rejection area here, and the body is clearly closing below the structure and below $1 below the key level. So and if you saw the first second of the 30-minute when I paused it, it already almost broke the low, but it was a straight push down, you know. And normally, like maybe like 3-4 months ago, I wouldn't take this because I would wait for a pullback. But in this case, like if I see it closing like this, I just execute at that point. And even if I get a pullback, I would put my stop loss. That's why I put my stop loss here. You know, that's about like
Kadir, what's the time
26
now?
to 25 pips. You know, and if you have your stop loss here, you're safe because that's the breakout candle. That's the rejection candle. And if the next 30 is exceeding this area, the 49, close 50. If it's exceeding 4 or 40, close the trade. You know?
So you were counting on the fact that liquidity was grabbed and there's enough
Yeah,
volume to drive
because
down.
that was the thing what we were looking for the whole time, right? Like that was the 30 pretty much Sultan drew and I drew, you know?
Makes sense, yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And at this point, the forward grabbed the liquidity now, you know? So, yeah. And look, I mean, this is something you see a lot of times. It's just with experience, it's gonna come, guys. You know, if you look at this 1 hour closing like this, next one respecting the high, breaking the lows, it's a no-brainer at that point. But entering there is tough on the 1 hour because you're gonna get drawn on. You have to hold that. It's tough, you know. So it's better
You know,
to
secure some out of key level in case it rejects, Kadir.
Again, bro?
Do you not secure like a percentage when it hits a key level in case it rejects?
Yeah, normally I would close 50 here, but I was explaining and it rejected already, so we're gonna
Okay.
wait now.
Cool.
And with this volume, like this is something, if you guys remember, I don't know if it was Monday or Tuesday, we got caught a pretty similar trade like this with Curvin. And it went like 50 pips immediately and rejected, and then we got a $10 move, you know, like another $10, like it was a drop with 150 pips drop, you know. So in this case, I think it can go easy to 30 with this liquidity now, and if it breaks the 30 at this point, it's going like, where is the next target if it breaks to 30? Yeah, I mean, it can go to 25, but 30 is a strong key level. So if it breaks to 30, I expect it to go to 1820, because we have also clean range, and this was the move with Friday, the NFP move, I think it was. So it would correct the whole move. And if you see this range, if you measure this range is like 150 pip range, and getting a move from here to here, and it's not a lot for the range, you know, 100 pips. And most likely, maybe it wicks down to these areas, you know. Is Sultan here, man?
Yeah, bro.
Why are you not talking, bro?
Because my net was getting like hella shit, bro. I was connecting, 5G and 4G.
Okay.
5G and
Okay.
4G. I was connecting 5G.
Okay. Yeah, let's see. What I'm gonna do actually is, wait a minute, where is the, yeah, let me drag this here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove the TP, because I'm gonna secure manually at 30, and we're gonna leave a runner if we get that big move. Is this news or something, bro? Because this is a big move, man.
Dear, aren't you gonna go break even at this point?
Yeah, we can easily go to break even. You're right, bro. I'm
This-
just, you know,
this
this
look-
is
this-
demo, you know. It's
bro.
I don't really care. That's the thing.
Yeah.
Bro,
But
this
on
looks good,
on
bro.
real, I would. Yeah,
This-
on.
This looks like going like, 30.
If this
20.
this 5-minute closing is hell. I mean, look, if you didn't get the entry here, you can easily enter here.
Did
to
you
be
guys
honest.
look yesterday one video of Kevin on the Telegram? Anyone from Telegram here?
Yeah, the 3-minute clip one.
Yeah, it's a similar delicate situation now.
Yeah.
I didn't watch it, bro. What was that?
I will show you. Play the candle. I show
Okay.
that.
Now this candle has to respect the 50% of this candle, but more likely it has to respect 36. You know,
This is-
maximum would be 36.5.
This is bread and butter setup, bro.
Yeah. Now what I'm gonna do is I can add a position here at the break of this one. Wick up first, break the low, and then you can add a position. Yeah, that's even better if it pulls back more.
Or small bullish candle. Two things.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here, let's be safe, put it here with the spread and remove the TP. Let's see.
Let's go.
Let's go. This is gonna be cake.
Let's
Oh,
go.
holy.
No problem, no
up?
problem. Give a second chance, bro. It's like,
But this was a no-brainer, bro.
no,
But
no,
look,
no.
okay. Now it pulled back to exactly 36.5. So what was maybe the mistake
Oh,
here?
5 minute didn't close.
It closed, bro. It closed bearish, bro. I still
No.
think we get the move to 30 easy, but the stop loss placement was maybe wrong. I should have placed it, like I said, to 36.5.
No, this is the first 1 minute of the 5 minute candle.
No, second.
Second, that's a mistake, bro. Third minute, You know, after 3 minutes, 4th minute should be the trade.
Let's look on the 1 minute because I'm gonna give it a second chance.
Okay.
Seen this a lot of times. It's gonna be a little bit of a range.
Next 2 minutes, if it breaks, it going downtown, bro.
Yeah, exactly.
1 more minute, 2 minutes. Okay. Okay, retest is over. Should not exceed that this one. Now we are 1.5 minute. We get the break.
Mhm.
Yeah. It's kind of console. Yeah, this is last minute, right? Go to 5 minute. Go to 5 minute. Can you go? Okay. And now we'll take the sell if we get the break here. Until that, you took a bit early, bro. The sell was a bit early. It's fine, yeah.
But it was a lot of volume, bro. It looked good, to be honest.
Yeah. It's fine. It's very
But
quick move.
I still think it's gonna
Yeah,
drop
yeah.
heavily, bro.
Break
because
you,
this
you
is,
have sell stop here. Sell stop.
You see this a lot of times, bro.
Yeah, have sell stop here, bro. Like just 2 pips below that, candle.
Yeah.
Better.
Stop loss
You want better one? Then for you guys, this
Yeah.
one this week. This was a rejection week.
Yeah,
Let's have a better one.
this would be the better one, yeah.
20 pips stop loss. Okay, 36 point. Okay, 36. Good.
But if it breaks from there, it's going to 30, and if it
It didn't
respects
go to
30,
20. It
it's
goes
gonna go to 20.
clean range, bro.
Yeah,
No,
it's
20,
most
maybe
likely
20,
gonna go to 20.
maybe 28.
Now, but if you look, bro, it makes a lot of sense. You know, let's go to the 30. See, this is the whole range, bro. If it breaks the bottom of the range, you're gonna go to 20 and most likely tap into these areas here. You know, makes a lot of sense.
What's the time now?
What's the time? Last 15 minutes of the 4-hour close. That's when the moves happen. It's gonna happen now, or it doesn't. It's not gonna happen.
If
But at
not,
this
then
point,
where's it?
break of this 5 is also valid.
Come
Yeah,
on, come on.
this one is gonna do the job. Oof, this is looking really good.
What's
Bro.
the
It's respecting 36.
Next 2
Yeah,
minutes.
like I said, this one is also valid, guys.
Yeah, but next 2 minutes. Well, but
Gonna be a quick move, bro.
Got
yeah, last 2
Very late.
minutes.
for tomorrow. Yesterday.
Let's go, Jala. If you took trade there, you would be panicked, bro.
Oof.
That's why our sell stop was made sense.
Yeah. Oof. But that signals to me, bro, that
Sing it.
it's gonna be a heavy move. If it's faking you out up and down here,
Yeah.
it's gonna be a heavy move at this point. you know?
Yeah, bro. Nasty.
Nasty move. It's gonna be quick move to 30, 25, 20.
It's so coming.
Guys, you guys have any doubts, you can ask. Just simply watching, it won't go to your head.
Oof, this closing is cake now.
Yeah.
This closing is beautiful.
Our sell-
This is
sell-
full
our
margin
sell-
closing,
Our
bro.
sell stop in good place, bro.
Yeah,
Best-
yeah.
Best place. Best place ever.
I'd sell as it breaks the low there, that closing below the 35.
It's beautiful now. But at this point, the stop should have been, because it was a sell stop above that previous candle. Let me modify that here.
I know, today you're just being idiots arguing. Stop. Woo.
Mute him, bro.
What his name is?
Jala.
It's gonna be Jala, boys.
Jala?
Jala.
Jala, this
Jala,
is...
Jala. It's teasing. Teasing.
guys.
No, it's going.
It's just teasing you, and it's gonna drop heavily, bro.
To
Yeah, it's
18.5.
going.
I can already see it. Oof.
Kadir Malak is here. Angel is here.
Oh, welcome.
guys.
Bro, I'm impatient. I'm gonna. Okay, it's.
It's gone, bro.
I wanted
That-
to skip the
that-
candles.
That's the perfect sell stop, bro.
Yeah,
No
easy.
brainer.
No brainer, bro. Yeah. That's why you have to
Here-
just
here you
believe in
need
your
to-
analysis, guys.
Here you need to secure some.
Yeah, here I'm gonna secure the second.
If you don't secure here, you are a dummy. It can go 100 pips more, but if you, what can I say?
This is like 1-to-1 now on this position. And on the second one, it's like, yeah, 1-to-3, 1-to-4, you know. So it's gonna be good to secure this one.
And stop loss break even, bro.
This one completely secure, and the other one we can leave that running because that entry is pretty safe.
Can they do whatever you want? Dummy, don't gonna pay you.
It's gonna pay really nice, bro. That's what I think. With like, see, this is the last 5 minutes now. So what can happen here is we break 30, we go to 25, and then with the next 4 hour having
Clean
a pullback,
range, bro. Clean range.
but that
bro.
pullback
Clear.
shouldn't be too deep, you know. That
No.
next 4 hour pullback to 1830, and then boom.
I see 19, 18, 19 area. Please see clean range.
Yeah, this 4 hour can go to 1825.
Maybe
Next
news. Maybe news.
Bro, no, I looked. It's no news, bro. It's job openings, but low, you know.
Unstoppable, bro. Unstoppable.
It's
like
just volume at this point. See. Look, that's
So
the
now-
push you wanna see.
Now for how closed?
No, 2 minutes to go. It's gonna tap into 25, bro.
I'll have a sell stop, sell limit again upside in this moment. Like 30,
Mhm.
30, 31.
Where I would secure to be safe is like 26.5, because sometimes it rejects like $1 above key levels. So, and it's the 4 hour closing. Yeah, this area. Now, guys, what I'm gonna do is we don't have to be greedy, you know. We risked like 2%. We made 8% with this trade. So let's secure our profits. Don't be greedy. 90% is gonna be secured and done. Yeah. And the deepest pullback I would want to see for the next 4 hour would be something like this, and then something like this. Because if you look at the 4 hours now, let's look at the 4 hour. Look at this heavy 4 hour. Do you expect any heavy pullback more than 1830? I don't. I mean, you know, 1830 was also the bottom of the range, so
Sell stop here.
1830 is good. Good. Sell limit, you mean?
Yeah.
I thought about this as well, but bro, we don't. I mean, we shouldn't show that here, you know.
Okay.
What we can do is entry like a cowboy on 1830 with 1 minute confirmations. Let's skip.
I think most of the guys, one second, pause. 1 second.
Yeah.
I think in the beginning, similar thing, I had a mistake. I would have entered this break here at the first beginning. Like
Yeah.
with a good hype for a close big bearish. Okay,
Yeah.
the break of this, I'll enter. Then I'll go
Mhm.
all drawdown.
Yeah.
Is this happened to you guys?
Happened to me as well, bro.
Yeah, me too.
It happened, man. In the starting.
Yeah, this is the thing, you know, when you get the big 4 candle, then just wait, like, you know, at least wait 30 minutes to be safe. Always go for the high probability trade, means safer trade, bro. Safe means no stress free. After taking position, not praying, oh God, let it go my side. It doesn't work. This is price action, bro. Even God even don't like trading forex also. So
And guys, you know, think about this always when trading. You know, this is an investment advice, but it also applies to trading. Look, we had a huge move down, right? I mean, if you have had this move, you know, from here to here, you want to see a pullback. And what would be the perfect pullback? 50%, you know. There's a saying, what goes up and goes down has to go up or go down again, at least 50%, you know. And the 50% in this case would be that 1830, and it's like perfect,
there
picture
no
perfect
need
at this
no
point.
need to be exact 50, you know. There is nothing
Yeah,
like
no, roughly, you know, like roughly. It's
For
just with
example,
the exactly with the key levels, you know.
like 29 or 31.
Yeah, 29 is, yeah, exactly. You don't price doesn't have to tap exactly 30 or you know, 35. It can be 29 easy, like in this case, 29 and 31, you know. But as long as we roughly respect the 30, it's good to go, you know. And this would be your pullback for the 4 hour now. So let's see, we already secured, we have a runner running. Only thing I would do is enter here another position, but we're not gonna do that here, so guys don't get bad habits. But it makes sense. I mean, here, no brainer, like enter on the 30 here, right here. How many pips is that of a stop loss? If you enter here, put stop at 31 to be safe, put it at 31.5. 25 pips to target overall this one, 1 to 2, and target overall 1820. It's nice, you know, worth it. Like risk reward is worth it. Yeah, like that's
My target is 18, 19, 10 pips below that 20.
yeah, 18, 18, 18, 19 is a nice target.
Yeah, when people start to sell there, from there it will flip.
Exactly, yeah. Let's do this for fun.
So many times market fooled me on my early days.
Yeah. Look, if you look on the left, guys, look here. You're gonna tap into here.
Yeah.
You know, it's no brainer. The only thing you have to be aware of, don't over risk. And if you don't over risk, market is gonna go where you want it to go, because it's logical, you know. Where is the next target below 25? Here, like 20, and most likely the structure, the bottom of the structure here. But if you over risk, you're gonna be like it's gonna be stressful, and you're not gonna be able to hold it, you know. And this is something you see a lot of times, guys. So like I entered here with 1 minute confirmations, but this is something you see a lot of times. Move down, small bullish candle. You think like, oh, okay, support is established. Next one broke the high, confirmation of support. But did the 5 minute candle close bullish? No, you have to wait for the closing. But I mean, at this point, we're not looking for buys because we're not cowboys. But this is something you see a lot of times. If
on
it's
news,
a heavy move,
on news, like news moves, you can look like, you know, buys.
Yeah.
If you get the bullish close here, the 5
Yeah.
minute, 2 bullish, then the third one break there, you can look for the correction on the news or sudden move, not the price action move, sudden move, like something
like
happened.
CPI, for example, CPI gives you always like a heavy move down, up, you know, or up and down, you know. On moves like that you can do it. But I personally, what I recommend, just don't trade CPI, FOMC, and NFP. It will save you a lot of headaches. Just come the day after, and it will give you the direction. So let's see if you're gonna tap into 1820. And in this case, 1820, 1818 would make a lot of sense to have then the pullback for NYC. Like if we get a move down now, and with NYC, then we get the whole reversal to the top of the range, you know, like this. Or like maximum would be something like that, our entry point basically. And then you get the continuation to the downside. I'm gonna skip a little bit, bro. Too fast, a little bit up. Okay. 15 closing was beautiful. This 15 is no brainer. So yeah, at this point, it's gonna tap into 1820. Oh, look at this closings. Oof. 18, yeah. 17.
I will have buy stop at 90, 18, 18.
Buy limit, you mean, bro?
Buy limit, sorry. And my stop loss will be like, 16. I prefer 16.
Okay.
How
At this
buy
point,
limit, bro? How buy limit? No,
yeah.
you can have a buy considering the rejection area. Yeah, you can have a buy.
Yeah. Yeah, now, I mean, now I would first secure the bag first. Like, look, guys, now we had oh, this is pips. Sorry.
Why
Okay.
I am buying,
Now-
why I'm buying, guys? Because do you think anyone, this is a good price to sell from here? Do you guys think? No. One more thing, we are at the strong rejection.
Yeah.
So what makes sense here? But just buy till 1930 or 25.
Mm-hmm.
Target maximum 30. You'll secure 25. Just give it a try. Let's see how it plays. This is back
Just one thing, like, look, guys, we had a runner. Runner was like 0.01, right? Normally, nobody would appreciate this, but at this point, our runner is running like 180 pips. It's the smallest position in the market, right? Like, and the smallest position paid us like $18. $18, but it's 1.8%, like almost 2%,
Big
and it
thing.
was that 10% from the original position, so you always leave a runner. That runner can pay, so basically, because if this would be a 10K account, this runner would be at $180, if this would be a 100K account, this runner would be at 1.8K, like almost $2,000. So always leave a runner and appreciate the runner. So now we're gonna secure these positions. The second position we added was also like a 1 to 8, a 1 to 3. So we risked $20, we got 60. So we're gonna secure these positions now at this point. And we're risking low today, guys. You have to bear that in mind as well. We're risking just 2% on a 1K account. Like 2% on 1K is nothing, bro. Like you can trade stress-free with $20 risk.
Kadir, let's go
Yeah.
full. Let's go this full margin. This is the last trade for the week. Then we can leave the thing, iftar and all. Go full margin buy.
100 lot.
Okay, try your.
Bro, are you guys crazy, man?
Can't go.
Is this recorded, Jaya? Yeah, right?
Yeah.
This is for
Yeah,
fun, bro.
recording.
This is for fun, last trade. So then we can call it a day. If you record for
Okay.
3 hours, you can't upload, bro.
Yeah, he uploaded the
Make it
but
100%.
he can go for the buy, bro. But only thing what I would
You
do
close
is
the record, bro. You close the record, so we can go full margin.
Kadir, should I pause or I can pause it? Then
You-
I can-
yeah, just
Yeah.
pause it. Just pause it. Just
yeah,
pause it.
okay.
Let's have this.
This shows that their psychology is fucked, bro. All on them, or they wanna go full margin as well, bro. Crazy. But guys, I would go for buy because it makes a lot of sense, like I said
Yeah.
earlier. But only thing what I would wait for is now for this 30 to close, because then it would be NYC, and then I will enter with that next 30-minute candle pullback.
I'll
Okay.
have buy stop at 30-minute high.
So only thing that I'm gonna do is that,
Yeah.
Okay. So now this 5-minute candle gave you confirmation. Okay.
One second,
But
one second, one
what
second.
I
I'll
wanna
show the
see-
easiest thing. 1 second. This is a 30-minute or 5-minute.
This is 5 minutes. 30 minutes is here, bro. It's not worth it.
Oh,
point.
this is no okay. Go to
Not
1
worth it.
minute, bro.
But what
1
you can
minute.
do, guys, is now this 5-minute candle closed beautifully bullish, right? It's closed above 1821. And if you look at the left, it makes sense that price now goes up, right? But what you wanna wait for now is to have a pullback again, because it's a brand new 30. You wanna see a pullback to at least 20, but what I would prefer is at least like 19. And we get a partial wick fill on the 5, like in this area, but it should respect the low. We can retest the low, like here, 1818, and respect the low and then drive up. Yeah, let's see what's gonna happen. Because what's gonna happen, everybody is gonna jump in here, but then it's gonna pull back. Everybody's gonna close here, and
This is
here it's gonna reject.
Go full margin, bro. Come on.
80%.
Uh-huh.
Bro, chill. Who's that, bro? Who's that? Bro, chill down, bro. This is just demo, man. We have to learn patience, bro. Chill.
If this is
I want-
breaks the whole high, I'll go full margin, bro. No matter what.
Yeah. But I wanna enter here. Get a deeper pullback.
You can't get always, Sometimes you lucky. you
Oh,
get.
there you go, bro. That's your pullback. That's your retest on the low, guys, and that's your rejection at this point. So now we can enter.
Guys, 1 second. On 30-minute also same thing applies, okay? On 30-minute, same thing you can do it. Like, this is a 30-minute low. Okay, you can have sell limit here. Stop loss below the 30-minute. It breaks. If it breaks the high first, then it comes to retest the low. Then boom.
Not enough margin, bro.
Boom.
Go 20%.
والله جلا.
Yeah.
I mean, we're risking more than the profits, bro. It's not
Yeah.
really smart, but yeah, okay, let's go.
Let's go. Like
It's no brainer actually. It's gonna be an easy one.
Kadir, like Dimitri, no stop loss.
No, always use a stop loss, guys. Always
Who's
use a stop
Dimitri?
loss. You don't have to know, bro. He's a random guy. It's not good for you.
Abdullah?
Goldfather is that,
Bro,
like on
Ramadan.
Telegram.
No backbiting, Ramadan.
Yeah, no backbiting, bro. Okay, so this 5-minute closing is nice. We break the highs. It's becoming a no-brainer at this point.
Kadir, you don't add a position when the price broke the high.
This is full margin.
Oh, we already have 20%. What
Add
you
more
guys
20%.
want me to do, man?
Add more 20%. Now we have the confirmation.
keep buying.
Let's put it here then, bro. But that's not gonna work, I think, right?
This is just
Or
for
is it?
fun, okay?
Do not try this on real market.
Do not.
You can try. If you get lucky, you will be.
But it's easy, I think it's gonna be an easy one to go to the 30 at least, It's gonna be pretty easy, I think.
Yeah, big boy is not gonna sell at 18 to 18.
Yeah.
Right? I'm
We
on
are-
This
my
4 hour is gonna flip
We may-
completely.
We made double, bro.
We are the big boys now.
We got the big price.
Thinking like a market maker, bro.
But that's true, bro. You have to
Yeah.
think like a market maker.
That's why
because
Ted says. Ted, you know,
what would
Yeah.
beginners do? Like, what would I have done like 1 year ago? I would sold here, and not even 10 pips. Oh, okay, 10 pips I would secure. But you have to think about it. Look, zoom out every time. Zoom out. What do we have here? Like so strong structure, and we had a heavy move down. So what's gonna happen? NYSE is gonna tap that area and is gonna retrace and correct the move most likely. But if you didn't see this a lot of times, don't go for it. I did this now because I've seen this a lot of times, and Sultan as well. So even before the move happened, we said that, right? Even before the move happened, it's gonna be an easy buy from here. But
yeah.
again, we didn't buy the bottom like, I mean, we technically we bought the bottom, but we waited for confirmation. We waited for this 5-minute candle to close. New 30-minute candle coming in play. NYSE is coming in play. Pullback makes sense, but has to respect the low of the previous 5-minute. If it doesn't respect the low of the 5-minute, it's going downtown. If it does, it's gone up.
In this types 2 scenario, guys, for example, if it's ranging till NY open or till NYSE, then you think big boys already had their position to one side. Then, okay, this candle close breakout, then keep on selling. Yeah, it's going on side. If it's like before the NYSE or before NY open, if it's like this one side, then they won't sell from here. They will take some, like they will buy to sell. Like that's how they do. Like they will buy till here or here. This same area, they will correct all moves when we start to sell. Then later next day can be the retest this area or pullback area, then continue.
See guys, what's here? $1 above the key level. We closed even almost $1.50 above the key level. Closed before above this candle, basically the body. So at this point, pullback, maximum pullback would be 25, but not even 25, like 50% of this candle. Breaking the highs, you have another entry opportunity to 30. To this rejection, 25 pips, 20 pips of a stop loss. You can go for another one. This is how you add positions. But what I add here, it's not even worth it anymore, but entering here would make more sense. If you remember, guys, this 5-minute candle we see a lot of times, right? This is the candle who's trying to tease you. It's done, move is done, it's gonna reject, and the next 5-minute, no pullback at all, boom, straight push. So let's see, yeah, break of the high. Now you have an easy entry here, stop loss here, 15 pips to get like 25. Nice.
Bro, 100 lot if we put, it's like million, bro.
100 lot would be like 100k in profit right now.
More than that.
No, 100k, bro. 100 pips is 100k.
100 pips, yeah.
Now we're gonna tap into
let's secure some, bro.
1830.
Yeah, almost 200.
I just wanna see that.
I'll secure if I took real my account.
Yeah, on
like
real,
I'll
of course
secure.
you would secure, but I wanna test if we break this one because
I'll
most
say
likely-
I'll say target this area or this area.
yeah, makes sense. Yeah.
If makes sense or not, it will be the target, not more than that, because this has to retest this area.
At this point now you can secure, guys. I mean, obviously nobody would let on a 1K account so much running, but yeah, there you go. You have your account flipped.
Come on, guys, let's have party. You guys got good trade. Guys, you guys have any doubts, so we can wrap up this session because
and now it's yeah. Now the thing, just one thing, guys. This 30. Look at this 1 hour closing. It's closing like a cake, right? So now this 30. Look, bro. 1830 got tapped. So now what you want to see is that's important now. That 30 or basically that 1 hour. This is the 10 a.m. candle coming in play. 10 a.m. candle will pull back eventually, but yeah, it maximum pullback would be the body here, but it should respect like in this like a small pullback to here and then go up, you know. That's the area, because if you look at the 5-minute, that if you look at the 5-minute, this 27, we have some sort of a little structure here. So, and it's like this top of this wick right here. So makes sense to have a pullback here and then get the continuation. And that would be another entry for you. If you see a 30-minute candle doing something like this, going down.
It's late in the session, bro.
So yeah, but this is 10 a.m. 10 a.m. If you are not able to trade NY or NYC, you can trade NY and 10 a.m. because 10 a.m. gives you easy moves. And if you see a 30-minute candle doing something like this, you know, this is the 30-minute candle you want to see. Entry here, stop loss stop loss would be here, and target, yeah, 35 is tough. Yeah, you would have to target this rejection area here, unfortunately. Yeah, that would be another setup if you would look for another setup in this case. Let's see if it works out. It's looking Gucci. Yeah, at this point, this is cake. You can even enter here, put your stop loss on the current 5-minute candle, and target this area, you know, and yeah, secure right here, because your stop loss is 20 pips. Yeah, one to 1.5, you know, and secure this wick right here. Let's see if it works out. Yeah, easy, you know. If you see it over and over again, it becomes really easy, guys. Why this was clear? Because we had a 5-minute candle closing above 30. 30 is a strong key level. If you close above 30, what's gonna happen? You get a 25 pips easy. And now don't be greedy, secure here. Secure. Why secure? Because this is the top of the bottom of this range here, you know. And we have this rejection candle here, and this rejection went all the way down. So don't be greedy, secure some.
Hey,
Yeah.
Kadir, can we call it as a day if anyone has some question or something?
Yeah, sure, bro.
I think,
You guys have a question?
or any doubts, like, you know, didn't understand the way we trade, like, you know, we are not like a big master or something, some pro. Normally what we know, we try.
So,
So,
guys, can you hear me? Can you
yeah,
hear me?
yeah.
Yeah, bro, we can hear you, bro.
Yeah, I just wanted if you could just briefly go over the London high and low to map it, because I couldn't find it on my trading view, or you know.
Stephen, it was like a different person.
You know here why we win this trade so much? Psychology. Bro, this is psychology. You have nothing to fear, bro.
Exactly. That's the thing. Psychology is the hardest part in trading, because most of the guys, I mean, you can learn this strategy easy in 2-3 months, you know. But at that point, it just becomes you come to the practical part, and the hardest thing is gonna be, look, what did everybody said here? Full margin, full margin, full margin, you know. And you know, it's not a good thing for your psychology, you know. Yeah, you can risk more, but
think if it was your real account,
yeah,
would
you
go?
have to exactly. I mean, I personally, I would go, yeah, but you guys shouldn't go, because at this point, for this move, you shouldn't go. If you are not comfortable, and if you didn't see this a lot of times, don't go for this, because you're counter trending this 4-hour, you know, and you really want to counter trend this 4-hour. No, but why did we go for it? Because yeah, I've seen this a lot of times, and basically did everything that we said earlier, what we expected. But if you would have gotten a close here, like on the 5 minutes, if you had a close below the structure, don't forget about the buys. It's gonna be a bloodbath at that point, you know. But at that point, we waited for a confirmation as well. 5 minute close. We waited for NYC, pull back, close again above 20, and the safest one, to be honest, was this entry. Entry here, you had you had nice confirmations, 2 5-minute candles closing above the key level. Previous one respected the low, broke the high a little bit, and next one no bottom wick at all, gives you straight push. Enter here, stop loss here. Yeah, it's a big stop loss, or you can put it below here, or below $1 below the key level at that point, and you can target. First target would be here, second target would be here. Yeah. You have something to add, bro?
Yeah, even yeah, bro. See, this is, for example, I know normally guys will get fear here. Psychology will be not be good taking trade. It's like, excuse my language, like you need some balls to take trade here. So say for one, I think this can be the safer one, bro, because this is the resistance, and you get the candle body close above this like one small range, okay? So this is retested this low, and then the break. You can have the stop loss below here. This will be the safer one, targeting at least first target this area, okay? Then the second target this area as a basic reward. I'm saying, not every time you get like big reward.
But that's the thing with counter trending. In this case, I mean, if you didn't see it a lot of times, just don't take it, because what are you gonna do if you see this 5-minute candle? In real, it's gonna take time for the next 5-minute candle to break the high, But in simulation, you can skip. But
one more thing, bro. This, for example, before any session, NYSE or NYSE, this is the range. Okay, full of range. Okay, finally you get one candle breaking out of the range. Okay, always wait for next candle to close above that peak. Don't go for impulse entry, because it will be like breaking the high. The third candle will be closing like this. Okay, then the fourth candle, if you get like close like this, then it will be going the other side like this. This is how mostly we get tapped. We take impulse entry here. It comes to this area. We will pray to God. Oh, we will move our stop loss from here to here. Oh, this is the safer. Then it comes. Then we may get one bullish candle. Then we think it will go our side. Then it's a trap in the range, bro.
Yeah, exactly. That's a nice point. But that's what Sultan said is exactly in this area right here, guys. Look at this here. We had this huge range before, right? And this is what Sultan said. We have like 1 5-minute candle closing above the range, right? Above 40. But the next one breaks the high, but body doesn't close above the wick. And then again down. Again, one more try to go up. But again, we have the same one, And then we have this candles, and then this becomes your last retest to grab that liquidity. This area here becomes your last retest. 1 tap, 2 tap, and this is the 3rd tap at that point. And the moment you see this 5-minute candle closing outside this small range and retesting the range again, retesting the key level, it's a no-brainer. Go for this thing, because it's gonna pay.
This also one more range inside the range.
Yeah, this is a small range inside the big range.
Inside the range. This was the fake out from the range. So these things, you guys, particular things, you have to keep in your mind, or just write the thing, or just backtest. Like, if you are listening here, like you watch 2 webinars, it can help you like 10% in the tomorrow, Monday live market. It won't be help you like 100% what you watch today. If you see certain thing, like certain pattern or certain type of candles, certain type of formation, if you keep in mind, if you see that, for example, Kevin sent the video yesterday on the Telegram, the small video. He said, if you see certain type of candle, you go for it. So keep in your mind. Always see for the, for example, always see for the, to take trade on trending market than counter trending. Counter trend is short-lived. For example, you can have the counter trend, like, area of interest. Area of interest means 4-hour high rejection area, or daily high rejection area, or hourly high rejection means like most of the, for example, no. How will I show that? Okay, so much rejection on like this, so much rejection area, then you can look for counter trends. And on the clear ranges, don't look for counter trends, bro. That won't help you. Yeah, that's it. Any question, guys? You can ask. Don't be shy, or don't be like anything you can ask.
Yeah, don't think that you're not good enough or something, guys. Everybody is equal here. Nobody's better than anybody. Yeah.
Yo, guys, can you hear me?
Yeah,
Yes,
bro. Come
bro.
on, go ahead.
I have a little language barrier, but I know Kadir can also speak German. Can I ask that question in German?
Of course, bro. Yeah.
Then
Bruder,
I'll mute my headphone. I don't want to listen bullshit.
okay, sorry. Okay, Kadir,
okay,
Bruder. Ich habe gemerkt, dass in speziellen Zeiten, wenn der Ausbruch-Trade passiert, dass es dann ein Fakeout gibt, aber dann später in der Session, gibt es dann den richtigen Trade in die Richtung, was ich gedacht habe. Wie kann ich sowas vermeiden?
Kannst du vermeiden, indem du genau das anwendest, was wir gerade eben erzählt haben. Schau, zum Beispiel, in dem Fall haben wir hier eine Range, okay? Okay, lass uns zoom out a little bit. Okay.
Du kannst auf Englisch sprechen, Englisch verstehe ich.
Okay, so guys, his question was basically how to avoid that false breakouts. Like pretty much that was what Sultan said. How to avoid that fake out. Okay, so if we start from here, so at this point you have a whole range here, right?
Yeah.
This is your fake out range. This was in NYSE. Okay, so how can you avoid the false breakouts? First of all, you have to wait for confirmations. Okay, like if we now go back to here. Okay, if we now go back in this area right here. Why didn't we have confirmations to buy here? Does anybody have the answer? I mean, we pretty much explained it earlier, but
Kadir,
you guys know why?
Kadir, I need to go because
Yeah,
it's iftar time.
yeah, I
Take
know,
care,
bro.
guys.
Take care, bro.
Okay, see you tomorrow.
Take care.
Okay, thank you, guys.
Why didn't we buy here?
Yeah, pretty much joined later, so I missed it. That's because why I'm asking again.
Okay, so now this is the first 5 minute closing above 1840. Okay, but the next one, let's zoom in a little bit. The next 5 minute candle, did it break? Yeah, it broke the high. Yeah, so let's go in this a little bit deeper. So we have this area right here. Next 5 minute, it broke the high slightly, but look how it closed. What did we say? If it has to, the body has to close above the wick, you know. So we would have needed a candle closing like this. You know? At least, you know. We didn't get it, so no entry. And then let's go to the next one. Now we go back, respect the $10 below the key level, another try. We have this one, but look at this candle. It's a doji. And now we have these candles. Does these candles give you confirmation to buy? These ones?
Not necessarily.
Not really, right? Because I mean, this candle looks good, right? Yeah. But the problem with this candle is it didn't break the high of this one, and it didn't close like this. If it would have closed like this, yeah, go for it. Next one, pull back, break the high, yeah, go for it. But it didn't. So that's the thing. You have to wait for confirmation, and if you get faked out a lot of times, just try to learn how to be patient. You know, that's something I struggled a lot. You know, but you have to be just patient and you have to wait for candles to close. If you're a beginner, don't look for impulse entries. Impulse entries is way too advanced, you know, like in this area. We waited for a nice confirmation. Did we take it here? No, we didn't. We also waited for this candle. This candle retested the key level. It retested the key level and then broke the low and closed below. Okay, so this is a trade basically, in my opinion. I mean, this is not advanced trade. I think. I mean, the only problem here is that you have to have the experience to enter on a candle that breaks the low immediately. It was the only problem. But otherwise, this was a pretty easy one, I think, because you have a range here, this previous range, this big range, and then you have a small range here, and you have these fake outs, you know? And then, I mean, this is the actual fake out because this was the retest, and then we went down. So it is a valid fake out at this point. So, and your confirmation was this candle. Entry here, stop loss here, stress free, you know, 1 5 minute gave you your target.
Yeah,
35,
basically.
and you're done, 1-to-1. You if you want to look for the big picture, you can, but basically 1-to-1, you were done already, you know.
Yeah, thank you, Kadir. Appreciate it.
Welcome, bro. You're welcome. Okay, guys, does anybody have a question? Otherwise, we can call it a day at this point.
Okay, I have one more question.
Yes, bro.
I just want to check. I noticed that the key levels are every $5 interval. Is there any reason behind it, or can you explain the reason behind the key levels being $5 different?
Yeah, the thing is, let's go to the higher time frames. The thing is, this $5 key level thing is something that Kervin found. Nobody found it before him, so he didn't learn it from Ted or anybody else. He found this on his own by simply back testing, you know. And if you back test it as well, like we did today, it makes a lot of sense, right? And the thing with the round numbers is that the big boys, they like the round numbers, you know. If we go into the daily, let's go into the daily and zoom out a little bit. Let me zoom out a little bit. Look at the rejections. Where does the rejections most of the time happen? At round numbers, like 1960, for example, like in this area. You know, see? It's not every time exactly 1960 or 1950, you know, but most of the time it's like that, you know, and they like that round numbers. So, but I mean, you're asking in this case the wrong person, because I didn't found it. It's Kervin's strategy. So we all learned from Kervin at the end of the day. But yeah, when I asked him, he just basically said it's with something that he found with backtesting. Because, for example, Ted has different key levels, Steven has different key levels, Roger doesn't even use key levels, you know, everybody uses his own, but this key level thing on gold makes gold a lot easier, you know, in my opinion, you know,
totally.
for me.
Yeah.
And
Thanks.
but you shouldn't trust the key levels blindly, you know. Just don't buy and sell at key levels randomly because you think 1850, oh, it's a so strong key level, it has to hold. No, it doesn't have to do anything. Market can do anything, you know. Anything can happen in the market.
Yeah, it's just a guide. And usually,
Yeah,
okay.
it's a guide, but you have to wait for confirmations as well. You know, use the key levels, but wait for confirmation. Just like in this case, you know, you can't just trust blindly. Oh, 1 5 minute close. Oh, okay. You know, but I mean, the thing with this one as well, Altan, if you if I go to back to your question, I don't know if is Altan here or he left already. Yeah, he left, I think. Yeah, but to go back to his question, guys, you also have to think about it. This is pre-NY. This is pre-NY. If you wanna prevent fake outs, stop trading pre-NY and London. Just focus on NY session, and you will trade like 20 minutes, 15 minutes after NY open, and you will already have prevented a lot of fake outs. You know?
Yeah, Kadir.
Yes, bro.
Yeah,
Thanks.
if anyone here trading London, what I have seen is last 30 minutes of London forward close.
Yeah, that's the only
best
setup
shot.
I like as well.
Yeah.
That thing pays a lot, but I personally I tried trading London at the beginning also because it would suit my timing better, but NY is just so much easier, and you get like way better moves on NY, you know. you get like 100 pip, 200 pip moves sometimes.
easy.
Like,
Very
like
easy.
quick,
5 minutes.
quick, you know, 5 minute gives it does the job. But it happens sometimes during London as well, but not on a daily basis, you know. Yeah. Okay. So at this point, I'm gonna call it a day, guys. See you guys tomorrow.
Thank you, Kadir.
During
See
this
you.
session. Okay.
Thank you, Kadir.
Yes, Calvin,
Appreciate it
Calvin.
a lot.
You're welcome, bro. You're welcome.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you,
Take care,
Kadir.
guys.
Thank you so
And don't
much.
try counter trending tomorrow, guys. Don't try it. Okay, not worth it.
Yes.
Just go with the trend.